It is now 6:04. Yeah, I'm having this now. It's spicy. Outside this is still dark. It is now 8 o'clock. That's the Barangaro Reserve Car Park. You'll see over there near the roundabout. And this area is called Wolves Bay. Yeah, there is this and there is this building. Yeah, I'm actually tempted to buy a coffee over that side and then walk over inside. Yeah, I'm going to buy a coffee first. No. Yeah, there is a long queue. I don't want to be waiting. For sure there is another coffee shop along the way. Oh yes, there is one coffee shop here. Probably rich people lives in this area. Yeah, because yeah, just when they get down of their apartment, they have their yacht. Luxury. Very nice. This is very hot actually. The guy already put 2 cups to make it thick. Not to be really hot, but still hot. And we are now near to the Sydney Harbour Bridge. There is one very big cargo ship. Navigate Perseverance. Yeah, the name of this cargo ship. The temperature actually this time is just good. Oh, there was a rain last night until this morning, but now the temperature is just good. Cloudy, but hopefully no rain later on. I believe that this one is naturally called a river. Yeah, because from here you can see the other side. Yeah, this cannot be a lake. Yeah, because this one is connected all the way to the Parramatta River. Yeah, do you consider this as river? Yeah, originally it is, but you know, but because it has a it has a cruise ship. There is a ferry. Yeah, lots of boats and ferries and yacht. No, not yacht, but speedboat and a cruise ship. This area has become a harbor. Yeah, harbor is not a natural body of water. I would say it is a human-made body of water. Same like a marina, same like a pier. Yeah, but I consider this naturally as river. But you know, people grew up knowing this as harbor. The whole area know this place as harbor. Yeah, circular quay, the body of water. People call this harbor. This cannot be a sea. Yeah, because the sea is bigger than this. Yeah, it's closer. The other side is visible and closer than the body of water considered as sea. And at the moment there is this Royal Caribbean Quantum of the Sea. I don't know if John and Sharlene are there. I'm not sure. Look at that. Yeah, this Quantum of the Sea is actually so much bigger than the big buildings here in Sydney. Yeah, and yeah, I can see those people. I don't know if they are going inside of that cruise ship or they are going somewhere else. Yeah, probably they are going inside, and actually they look like a Filipino. Finally, a garbage bin. Say hi. And we are actually now here in Taronga Zoo. There's so many people in here, and also lots of students actually. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, this yeah, always a destination for the field trip of students. But yeah, I feel like this place is always busy, always lots of people like this. Yeah, everywhere.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Taronga Zoo, Seals for the Wild, proudly powered by Red Energy. My name is Jake. I'm one of the very lucky keepers here at Taronga Zoo.
Wow! Ganda oh, lakad na.
Dito muna, dito muna. Ay, sorry for your rabbit.
Okay.
Come on, Denise! You're here!
Hindi.
Kaya rabbit din, ano muna. Ako ng pag-tayo. Gusto niyo mag-tumyam?
Baby tummy. Yung baby tummy.
Wait ba? Naapay isa. Adut lang, naapay isa. Uy. Ba na si Denise niya? Ayaw ito ta. Yan.
Yo, good day everyone. I'm having a breakfast. Yeah, this long block. Look at this long block. It's very long. And yeah, hot cross bun. This is coming from McDonald's, so this is how they serve hot cross bun. This is toasted with the Cadbury chocolate flavor and butter. $8. The cost of this, $8. So yes, 2 days ago, coming from Sydney to meet John and Sharlene. Yeah, so basically John and Sharlene and their mom, they went for a cruise ship from Brisbane to Sydney. Yeah, just the experience, they said. So they cruised for 2 nights and 3 days, kind of 3 days. And then I met them in Sydney. They said it's a good experience. Everything was there in the cruise. Food, entertainment, relaxation. Yeah, so I arrived yesterday. I worked yesterday actually. Breakfast. And then I finished my duty at 2 o'clock. And I went to the park. I lay in the bed. Yeah, and I woke up. It's already dark. Did not able to vlog.